O, tingnan nyo to guys, o. Ayan o. Nagme-merge na sila towards the motorcycle lane. See? Kung may enough space lang talaga, look at them all piled up. So, may isa nagtanong sa akin dito na sinabi niya na kung ba iwan namin yung motorcycle lane, sa motorcycle lane lang ba kayo dadaan? Well, the answer is right there in front of your face. Yes, this is a good proof. The intention of this video is not to create a heated argument between the motorcycle and the four-wheeled. What I wanted to impose here in this video is to create harmony lang, harmony on the road. So, you know, we're not enemies. We both are using the same road. Wala namang problem sa mga motorcycle riders if we just give us this lane and they take up all the three lanes. Truck lane, and then there's another car lane, no problem naman about it. The problem here is that when you occupy the small space, yun lang naman talaga yung point ng video na ito. This is not to create any commotion online. Motorcycles do exist, and with that, you have to consider them. We have to be fair with each other.